Love is patient, love is kind, love is not jealous. It does not put on airs, it is not snobbish. Love is never rude. It is not self-seeking, nor does it prone to anger. Neither does it brood over injuries. Love does not rejoice in what is wrong, but rejoices with the truth. There is no limit to love's forbearance, to its trust, its hope, its power to endure. Love never fails. I pronounce you married. You may kiss the bride. Congratulations to Sandy and Erin. A wedding ceremony is for a day, a marriage is for a lifetime. Today, Sandy and Erin join their lives together. May they do so with a certain and happy heart. Friends and family, this is a happy occasion. These two people have chosen to commit their lives and their happiness to each other, to embrace the challenges of marriage in order to become more as partners than they could be separately. They make this choice with love, and after carefully considering the significance of the promises they make today.